Hi guys. Sorry that the setup's like this, but oh well. I got 3 packages to go through, so let's see what they are. First, I gotta get this thing so I can open them. This one says on the side, jars, 5 grams. So let's see.
Sorry for the noises.
Okay. So let's see what we got here. She's in there playing a game. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, we got 50 of these little beauties. They're 5 grams each. So they'll be just right for glitters and stuff like that. Set that over there. Now this is another package. Let's see what is in it. Sounds like glass. Probably is glass. But excuse the way my table looks right now. I've been gone for a week. And when you go on vacation and you leave everything set, you come back to a mess sometimes. Which I did. Okay. See if I can get this open. I just got back tonight. So, yeah. Definitely. Been a long week. Okay. Oh, this is what they are. These are the little dropper bottles for my oils. So I don't have to use the big ones. I think I got 12 of them in there. Yeah, 12. Okay. And then we got this other little box. Let's see what's in it. And it says 10 gram box bottles or jars. Let's see. If it's exactly what they say it is. Well, it'd help if they opened right, wouldn't it? Yes, they are. Then we're 10 gram jars. There's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 of them. But yeah, that's got to be good too. So, now I got my jars, my bottles. And then, you know, once I get everything fixed again and cleaned up in here, I will have a video out of me doing some other things. I got to swatch them alcohol inks I got last week from Pauline and a few other things. Plus, I got to get all this crap cleaned up and put away and all that good stuff. So, hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. It was just 3 little simple items. And we'll see you later. Bye for now.